which is divided by 1 or itself. That is known as prime. Okay. So it means if we are going to create a prime number, so we are going to compare it with 2 to less than, so less than number. It means if number is 37, so we are going to divide that number by 2 to 36 so that we can identify that number is prime or not. So how we can create a program? So the program is created. So right click new class and create a prime number test space we can have prime number test. Okay. Now main, and now we'll go with our number sys out. Enter your enter enter the now scanner was to new scan, and then we'll have system dot. Now what we can have, we are going to ask number from the user, so user provided us a number. Now if we'll say integer number equals to scanner dot next. Now if number double equals to 0 or uh, or number double equals to 1. So sys out, we can go exit. So there we'll exit C, because we are not going to check any number if number is 0 or if number double equals to 1. So we are not going to check this for the prime. Okay, otherwise we can go with a condition. System.exit we can type there, which exit from the console, and we can, if you want to go with negative elements, so you can provide negative as well. Now, next what we'll have for integer I equals to 0. What is the logic? Logic is to, for example, number we are going to input 19. So 19 should be divided, if 19 is divided by any number between 2 to 18, so it means that number is not prime. Right. Now, for I equals to not 0, I is less than number, semicolon I plus plus. Then what happened? See, now we are going to divide number by a less than. So it means if number mod I double equals to 0, if number is divided by any sequences between 2 to less, if number is 19, like, so we are going to test this by 80. So number is not prime. So what we can do there, we can go with a flag condition. So I'll just declare an element flag equals to 0. So if we found that number is not prime, so we'll set our flag to 1. And if this block is true, so we can easily say that boss number is not prime. That's it. And then we'll just type break and then exit. So outside this for, if flag double equals to 1, so what we said sys out, not prime once again. Not prime. Else we can print number is prime. It's a prime. Now, first of all, let me check this condition is working. 19, prime number. 12, not. Now, how this works ideally? Okay, you see, what we can do, if we go with number divided by 2, so that works similar. Let me just check with some number. Again, I'll just go with 19, prime number. 12, not prime number. Okay, now what happened? See, dividation, why I'll go with this logic? Because this logic also works. If we have a number, so we are just going with this try run, then what happened? See, this block is going to check 0 or 1, so we are not going to work on it. Now we are just going to work with this one. What I'll do, I'll just copy and paste this on my notepad. Then what? See, we declared flag as a 0. Now number which we are going to input, for example, 37. So we'll have number that is 37. Now that comes to this block. There what happened in this block? 37, 37 mod 2. It means we are going to take the remainder. With 2 remainder is 0, so remainder is not 0. Okay, now it will going to check this with 3, remainder is 0, no, 4, no. It will going to check till 36, so remainder is not 0. It means flag will not set to 1. When flag set to 1? When this ideally condition, well, when this condition is true, so that comes to this block. And if this comes to this block, that will become break, and we got the value of flag equals to 1, which print number is not prime. Now, what is the second scenario? If we are going to input a number which is 18, now how this works? First of all, 18, we'll just go with 21. Now what happened? 21 mod 2 double equals to 0? No. So again, loop got incremented by 1. 21 mod 3 double equals to 0. It says yes. So in this condition, it will jump to this block. Flag is set to 1. And then if flag is set to 1, we got number as a prime number there. So this condition will satisfy. If flag is 1, number is not prime. If flag is not 1, and that flag is not 1 in case of 37. So number is a prime number. So this is about how we can explain or implement the prime number in Java.